Huzur, some flower have got fragrance and some flowers do not. What is the reason?
The same thing applies to the human beings. Some human beings have fragrance and some do not have it. So Allah has created different things indicating different things. Flowers in Bangladesh are very fragrant. I remember it. Except one tree of flowers which is sundar to look at, but it has no fragrance. What's the name of that tree?
Krishna.
Huh?
I think it's called in English. It's called Bengali. I think it's called Krishna Chura.
Krishna Chura.
It flowers are very red.
Red,
ones.
that's right.
Yes. Krishna Chura.
It is the muhavra in Bengali. I've forgotten it. It says that he is like that tree. He is without a fragrance, but beautiful to look at.